Here we are at the semifinals of the downhill.
Racers, take your mark.
Remarkable! I'll have a lens of you. Tackle that down under. Bouncer! Bet you didn't know I could fly too. Capture him up.
Thank you.
This here's Stinkum Bonta. Take a squeeze at it. No worries, mate. Nice. Fight me. Tackle that down under. Back to it. I look like an eagle.
See ya.
Bloody brilliant.
Whoa, great run! First place!